what kind of concert are you having?
Orange one. A red one.
A red concert. Okay, let's see the concert. Yay!
Good concert, John.
Yay! Really? After the concert, you can.
Is that real Ariel?
No, yeah. We can watch it in just a minute, okay? In a minute. Lily, get your face out.
You don't need to wear the glass slippers. You just want to wear them. They're not yours. They're mine.
You can wear them to his concert if he wants to.
It's not his concert. It's everybody's concert. Even mine. John, it's not your concert. It's everybody's concert. Even yours. Even me, even Daddy, even Mommy, even John. I'm wearing another one.
Measure?
Mm-hmm.
Would you pass me the Apple TV remote control?
No.
Why not?
Because you're going to change the channel. Is the concert over?
No, not quite yet. Then why aren't you playing?
Hey, you can't touch it.